Welcome to Charcoal Drawing Academy, episode 171. I'm Kurt Robinson, and I invite you to draw along with me as we begin number 3 in the Veln of a Dinner series. And our subject, of course, will be a hudzen. I'm starting with the horse because it can be any shape, so it's a nice place to ease into the drawing. And we can just build out from there into the veln and the grove. Some connective stuff, but mainly just roughing in shapes at this point. And for the veln, we'll just put the jumps. Strictly an aesthetic choice, no implication they've been rifted or harmed in any way, which will be clear because in the background we're putting a chimp, and on the chimp we can display the veln. Not that they're on display, but we will depict them there. So here's the sagero, the thrape up on the hump, or whatever you call it, Kerschel in the middle, the bevel, and the 90. And with the Kerschel, we'll take the same approach. Just the jumps and another chimp for the veln. Here's the hagel, trope, kreptic, the regency, and the standard. And we'll put some haze here, so what's beyond, we just don't know. Okay, let's go back and commit to some line. And flesh things out with some chicken stroke. And some dinner stroke. And let's put the veln with the kreptic on another chin. Obstacle, using blender, rouge, left. And it looks pretty good. So let's establish taping points. And we're done, but for some touching up. So next week, number 4 in the series, keep drawing with charcoal, and I'll see you then.
It is down for the never more dull, ready for another way to see the world. Here we go to Charcoal Drawing Academy. And then to serve from 5 to 7, Charcoal Drawing.